Kavyama, good morning.
Good morning.
Are you writing your essay one exam? All the best, Kavyama. We will start with, Their fruits and vegetables are seen, no? Only tick the fruits. Okay?
Only the fruits.
Tick the fruits only. Okay?
Pencil తీసుకో.
Take the pencil. Okay, start. Your exam starts now. Tick only the fruits. You remove your hand. You keep your hand on paper. Kavyama, keep that hand on paper. Yes, proceed. Tick only fruits.
Only fruits teacher.
Okay, good. Move to the next one. You don't show the. You don't keep your finger.
Next.
Next, what is that? Very good. Tick it. Good. Next. Come in order.
ఇది చూడు.
Adi. Good job.
Next. ఇంకా చూడు ఉన్నాయి ఫ్రూట్స్.
Good job.
ఇంకా నెక్స్ట్ ఈ లైన్లో చూడు. వెరీ గుడ్ కావ్య.
Good girl. Turn the page. Okay. Now circle the vegetables. Only
Circle,
vegetables.
టిక్ కాల్స్.
Very good. Good job. Good job. Good job. Good job.
ఇంకా ఉన్నాయి చూడు కావ్య.
Fruit, that is fruit. Let her take her decision. Next. Good job. Turn the page. Is it matching? Match with the first letter.
H.
Very good. Good job. Next.
Duck.
First, next one, second one. Number, that number. Arey, F strike off there and keep F in order. Soon after taking the paper, do that one.
Okay.
Now take the pencil. Show second one with finger. Yes, that is the one. Now you draw line. Hold paper with this hand. Yes. Show the letter first. Letter show, Kavya. Good. Next. What is that? What is that? Say that.
Goat.
Start with the letter.
G.
Very good. Now draw. G onwards. G.
ఇది. G the.
G daka. Drop up to G. Very good. Next.
Next. F for flower.
Which letter? F. F.
ఇలా ఇది చూడు. ఇలా పెట్టి ఇలా రావాలి.
Clean that one. Next one. Kavyama. Proceed with the next one.
ఇదిగో pencil. D for ఇదిగో.
Show me the letter first, then draw line. Show me the letter first.
Letter ఎక్కడ?
Duck for? You don't show the. Duck. Letter? Which letter? Which letter? Duck. Duck which letter, Kavyama?
D for
షో మీ దట్ లెటర్. లెటర్, షో మీ లెటర్.
ఇక్కడ కావ్య ఈ లైన్లో చూడాలి.